First, a sharp knife and fork. We're gonna cut away the head of the fish and also the tail. You can move them over to a side plate. Next, there are a number of fins running across the top and the bottom of the fish. You can almost pluck them out. You're gonna use your fork as a guide and kind of pull them away. You can see those bones. We're gonna transfer them to the side plate as well. Now it's time to remove the central bones. Rainbow trout has a line running on its side. We're gonna run the knife along this line, cutting the skin, but we're also going down into the cooked flesh. You will feel that bone. Next, we kind of push the flesh off the fish gently, just go slow. Do the same on the opposing side of the cut. Now, gently, we're gonna lift the bone where the head used to be. We're gonna lift that bone up, go slowly, and we're gonna pull those bones up and away. Perfect. Now we can go back and remove any additional bones. Then, watch, how cool is this? You can push the flesh back into place, top and bottom,